Hey, what's up YouTube? Neil Pro 18. Just started building my 600X. Need a couple of bucks to finance the batteries. So I'm actually selling my new Blade 500 Bell 222 body. They normally go for about 200. Can't get them anymore. If you want to make me an offer, I'm going to sell this one. I also have 5 MCPX BLs. That's what it normally costs. Make me an offer. This particular one comes with 2 micro heli tail motor cases, a MCPX BL servo, and a brand new tail motor just in case. Got this kit special from a buddy of mine. This one comes with 4 batteries. Yeah. And this Assassin canopy. Basically, these are brand new. Well, I think they got about 8 minutes on each. Done for promotions. I'm gonna get rid of them. Don't need them. You want to make me an offer? Leave a message in the comments. I have this one. Like I said, basically these are pretty new. Even give you a warranty. This particular one comes with 3 batteries, the charger. Like I said, Heli's brand new. This one's just, make me an offer. And I got this one. I had 5, I'm down to 3. Like I said, I'm just going to buy batteries. Thunder Power is pretty expensive. This one is 3 E-Flight batteries, new heli. Alright, basically that's it. This is Neil Pro 18. If you want to leave me an offer or contact me in the comments, see if we can get these babies sold. Make me an offer. Later.